foosball. Tawag nila foosball. Pang indoor, pang winter. Ganda ng kahoy ng ano rin, no? Italy.
Update tomorrow because texting me and Steve. Okay, where's she coming back?
Yeah. Go banyo. Oh, wow, there's a lot of this Kettler, USA. They do foosball.
So where is it?
She find it.
See these ones?
Yeah. Okay.
I wonder if I should put just a little bit of...
Lube?
Nope, not lube. We would put soap and then it would dry out.
Oh. Soap?
Yep. When you do soap, like, and then it dries.
And then it will be like...
When you oil, it never dries.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, soap would be... Wash it with soap?
Yeah, and you put it on there.
Ah, okay.
Do you use soap to tighten the handle down? Question mark. Because it dries out.
Uy, may anak na si Mikay. Ilan taon na yung anak mo, Mikay? May asawa na si Mikay.
Best way to put the handles on your foosball spindles. Spindle?
Uy, November 26, 21. Ayan. Hindi kasi kumakain si Mikay eh. Kumain ka, Mikay? Eh, magaling na ba asawa mo, Mikay? Nagtatrabaho na. Ayan, guys. Pagoda tuloy ako. Sana yung assistant natin. So, malapit na mag-birthday si Mikay. Happy birthday, Mikay. Advance. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh, it says here you need to do a
Yep.
martillo.
I'm going to show you how to change a handle on a Warrior foosball table. First thing you need to do is make sure the handle is as close to the table as possible. Then place the pin punch directly on the pin in the handle. Now use your hammer to punch the pin through. Pull the pin punch out and twist.
Thank you, Mary Ann.
Take the new handle, twist on, and use the pin.
We're not a warrior.
See this one? Just do this one. This one.
Wait just a minute. No, this is last. Come around here.
Thank you, Mary Ann.
How to install the handles on a Kettler foosball table.
Ah, okay lang. Ano mag-4 na? Ah, September 4. Okay lang. Uy, Mikay, kala ko ba alis ka na?
There was no, I didn't see a, how to put them on. So this doesn't have pins,
You have to hammer it.
so we're gonna hammer it in.
That's what it says there. See?
I was
Hammer.
thinking of putting soap on them, but
But it says hammer.
hammer, and then hammer.
On that side.
So this one goes like,
That
Ones
one.
that are like